So finally, after 1.5 hours, ये बन गया है.
What up guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, this is Sherry.
And this is Sid.
And this is second part of our lockdown series.
So today's vlog is going to be super interesting. Today we have a surprise for Sherry. तो New Year के time पे I was supposed to give her something interesting and we had planned कि हम कहीं बाहर घूमने जाएंगे, but nevertheless वो possible नहीं हो पाया. Although we managed to do our Niagara trip, but ठीक है, उसको compensate करने के लिए कुछ fruitful चीजें मैंने सोची जो कि उसको आज हम disclose करेंगे.
So it's been 9 months. We all have been working from home. We actually thought it's just going to be 2-3 months and we'll be back to our office. So I decided I don't want more furniture at home and I don't want a workstation for myself. But it's been 9 months and now I think I do get a workstation for myself. So today is the last working day of so today is the today is the last holiday of the holiday season. Tomorrow is 4th. We begin work for this new year tomorrow, and before that we decided let's get new furniture. So we are going to create our furniture today. And we are also going to tell you an interesting thing which Canadian government is doing to help everyone who's been working from home. So that's going to be disclosed in some time, but let's begin with the furniture assembly.
That's right. And also we're gonna tell you from where did we buy our furniture, so probably it's gonna help you. All this was under $300 combined, so just stay tuned. We're gonna tell you everything.
Yes, let's begin.
Yeah.
Overacting? इतना भी भारी नहीं है.
बहुत भारी है यार. बहुत भारी है. चलो फिर शुरू कर दें इसकी असेंबली. सो ये मेन स्टेज का फर्नीचर है. टेबल पहले हमने जो मेरे लिए लिया था तो हमने आईके से मंगवाया था एंड चेयर में वॉलमार्ट से थी. इस टाइम दोनों चीजें वॉलमार्ट से ली हैं बिकॉज आईके के सारे स्टोर्स बंद थे एंड हमारे को उसकी डिलीवरी भी नहीं मिल रही थी, ना पिकअप ऑप्शन था. सो हमने लिया है, ट्राई करते हैं, होपफुली अच्छा निकलेगा.
एंड अगर आपको देखना है कि हमने सिद्धार्थ के लिए जब फर्नीचर बनाया था तब क्या हुआ था, तब हमारे फ्रेंड्स भी आए हुए थे. यहाँ पे केसेस कम थे. वी वर अलाउड टू विजिट ईच अदर. सो हमारे फ्रेंड्स भी यहाँ पे थे एंड वी मेड ऑल दिस फर्नीचर टुगेदर और बहुत मजा आया था. वी क्रिएटेड अ व्लॉग ऑन दैट. वी विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. इफ यू वांट टू गो एंड चेक दैट आउट यू कैन, क्योंकि अपनी प्रमोशन खुद ही करनी पड़ती है.
And by the way, I'm missing those guys यार.
हाँ, we miss you guys.
आज फर्नीचर में हेल्प कराने के कोई नहीं है ना
इसलिए मिस कर रहा हूँ.
चलो शुरू कर दे. So सबसे पहले ये हमने आप लोगों ने हमारे फर्नीचर वाले ब्लॉग में भी देखा होगा कि हमने ये आईके से किट वो लिया हुआ है, टूल बॉक्स, जो कि $10 का था. एंड इसके अंदर सारे हैंडीमैन के टूल्स हैं. इससे हमारा मोस्टली काम हो जाता है. अगर ड्रिल चाहिए होगी तो ले लेना भाई.
So जो हमने अपना लास्ट ब्लॉग बनाया था जब हम हाउस क्लीनिंग कर रहे थे, so we got so many comments on how relatable the video was because जो लोग बाहर रहते हैं वो समझते हैं कि कितना major part of life है when you have to do everything by yourself. So this is another aspect of living abroad, living in Canada, where you don't get people from outside to help you. So जैसे हमने अपने लास्ट ब्लॉग में बोला था कि हाउस हेल्प से गुण है इंडिया में. So I would say you know all those people like plumbers, कारपेंटर्स, वो सब की वैल्यू बाहर आके पता चलती है क्योंकि ये सब काम हमने कभी खुद नहीं किया. You can obviously you know get people to do it for you, but then it's very expensive.
शुरू करते हैं. So ये दो चीजें पहले रखते हैं साइड में. इसकी मैनुअल उठाते हैं क्योंकि मेन चीज होती है इसकी मैनुअल होनी चाहिए. अगर तो मैनुअल नहीं है तो अपना दिमाग लगाते रह जाएंगे हम कि कैसे बनाना है. आईके वाले दे देते हैं बट मेरे को बाकी किसी पे इतना भरोसा नहीं है।
Yeah, that
जो
is
भी
why we
मिलेंगे।
always prefer to get all this from IKEA, and we have everything from IKEA. Like हमारा जो cabinet है, that is from IKEA. Siddharth's office furniture is from IKEA.
भगवान का वरदान मिल गया।
Yeah, but then this time IKEA wasn't open because of the lockdown. We've been waiting for a month, but then we decided it's time we get our own furniture. Like I get my furniture, and it was only available on Walmart.
Yeah.
So we got this from Walmart. We miss you IKEA, but hopefully Walmart is going to be good to us.
Yep. तो भगवान का वरदान मिल गया एंड हम शुरू करते हैं
चलो
इस वरदान को लेके। मैं आज से ज्यादा काम कर चुका हूँ एंड अब ये मैडम बीच में गायब हो जाती है दिखाने के लिए, सिर्फ कैमरा पे आती हैं कि भाई मैंने थोड़ा सा काम तो कर ही लिया होगा, वो तो दिख जाएगा कैमरे के अंदर, बट एक्चुअल रियलिटी आप देख रहे हो ये कौन काम करता है।
हमारे को जितने भी लोग लास्ट व्लॉग में बहुत लोगों का कमेंट आया था जब हम लोग क्लीनिंग कर रहे थे दैट ओ माय गॉड यू गाइस आर कपल गोल्स और आप दोनों कितने परफेक्ट हो साथ में।
हाँ।
तो इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं भी इक्वल काम करती हूँ जितना आप करते
ये
हो।
बिल्कुल गलत है, जहाँ पर भी ऐसा मैसेज आता है ना ये लिख के ले लो, मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं देने दिया जाता।
खाना कौन बनाता है?
खाना बनाती हूँ।
बाकी काम सिद्धार्थ का काम है, and I won't deny it. He works more than me. Like he does most of the household. यार मैं हम equal करते हैं, मैं नहीं।
तो करना, परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर।
बताओ क्या करना है?
पकड़ के रखो बस।
See support में हूँ, मैं ना करूँ तो हिलेगा ये।
So हमारा ये स्केलेटल रेडी हो गया है, स्केलेटन रेडी हो गया है। अब बस इसको लगाना है हमें ऊपर, तो लगाते हैं।
सब कुछ हमारे अकॉर्डिंग तो हमने ठीक से फिट किया था, बट देन ऑलवेज देयर इज वन स्क्रू व्हिच स्क्रूज अप एवरीथिंग, एंड नाउ वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स रॉन्ग। इट्स बीन 10 minutes, we've been trying to figure it out, but still stuck.
So finally after 1.5 hours ये बन गया है। इतना टाइम लगा है बट फाइनली हो गया। कहीं कट भी लग गए हैं मुझे, बट नेवरदलेस
तो आपको कट ये करके लगता है, मुझे ऑलरेडी कट किचन में लग चुका है।
Okay.
Hence proved मैं काम करती हूँ।
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई, क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
सो जैसा कि मैं बताया कट लग गया था, बैंडेड लगाते हैं एंड अगला काम शुरू करते हैं। सो हमने टेबल कंप्लीट कर लिया है एंड उसकी प्राइस हम बताते हैं। दैट वाज $85। मेरा वाला जो टेबल था जो मैं करंटली यूज कर रहा हूँ दैट वाज फ्रॉम IKEA, तो वो सस्ता था, बल्कि दैट वाज $69 व्हेन आई परचेज्ड इट। ऑल्दो ऑल बेटर क्वालिटी मेरे को IKEA की लगती है, बट नेवरदलेस जब ऑप्शन नहीं था तो आई हैड टू गो एट विद वॉलमार्ट। बट देखते हैं इसको भी यूज करके, नॉट बैड, अच्छा लग रहा है, कलर फिनिशिंग अच्छी है इसकी एंड $85 का पड़ा है वो वाला। एंड ये चेयर जो है इट कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड $160, तो दो टोटल मिला के $245 पड़ा है। एंड देखते हैं दोनों की क्वालिटी, क्योंकि मेरी पिछली चेयर गेमिंग चेयर ही है, वो भी वॉलमार्ट से थी, वो भी अच्छी थी। So
How much
hopefully-
was that for?
That was also close to 150 के आसपास।
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one I've taken specifically for like office में जैसे चेयर होती है, तो
We particularly prefer IKEA, but as I told you, showrooms were not open, so we had to go for Walmart. But the chair has been good, the chair he got for himself. But one thing is, I think it's easier to assemble IKEA things.
Yeah.
We never had any problem with that. With this table, it took us a little time. And again, I remember for the chair we did for Walmart, that gave us a hard time. Again,
Yeah.
you can watch that video, you will see we made the sofa come bed very quickly, but then it came to that one single chair, it took us hours.
महारानी की चेयर आ रही है, तो मुझसे भी अच्छी ली है।
Yeah, right, I am Maharani. He already has it for 9 months and I am Maharani.
Yeah. But then I have bought her a really good chair, and hopefully she likes it. Although color-wise, it might not be that great.
Why?
It's a grey colored chair.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I thought you probably wanted pink.
Yeah, I'm a 12-year-old and I would want pink. But I've heard that some offices have also, given that extra refund or a benefit for work from home. If you're working from home, they have given you that allowance for buying home furniture, and they will refund you for that. Did your workplace also give you that benefit? Do let us know. We would really like to know how many people are actually getting that, because we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
We didn't.
So this is where you require help. ठीक है, अब ये इससे जोड़ना है, so we have to assemble this, and then that's where I need a second person, and that's where I need her
Now
help.
this video has suddenly become like how supportive I am.
Yeah.
This video is not about that. This video is about
मेरे
how
को-
we
मैं बोल
assemble
रहा हूँ-
our home furniture.
I have not been forced to say this, by the way.
Know what it looks like. You made this video about this topic.
No way.
Yeah.
Finally, we have done it.
Just the last step left, right?
Yeah, just the last one.
Done? Oh, this was pretty fast.
Yeah, this was pretty fast. Like 45 minutes.
Oh.
So the princess finally gets her chair and her table. Now please sit and tell me, how do you like your surprise?
Yeah, Princess got it after 9 months. Prince already had it for 9 months.
Yeah.
So we can very well say who's more pampered here.
Oh really?
Yeah, mister. So Siddharth can never, he's a Virgo, he's a perfectionist. He wants everything just right. So I was okay working from sofa. He wasn't okay working from sofa. He wanted to work on it from his office furniture. So that's how Virgos are.
Oh boy. So as we told you in the beginning of the video that we're going to talk about how you can claim for your expense under your personal income tax, and this happens through two methods basically. One is the temporary flat rate method and other one is the detailed method. So I'm going to share the link for both these methods, and whichever suits you best you can go ahead and apply for those. So under the temporary flat rate method you can claim up to $2 per day and maximum of $400 under the temporary flat rate method, and the condition is you have to work 50% of your time from home and up to a consecutive of 4 weeks, and you have not claimed any other expense from your employer. In this particular case, your employer doesn't have to sign the T2200 form, and whereas the other method, which is the detailed method, you have to get it signed from your employer. They have to sign, I guess, the T2200 form for any of the expenses that you have.
Okay, and in both the methods you get $400 from the government?
No.
Or
So it's only for the first method that you can claim up to a maximum of $400. But
Okay.
since in the other method they haven't really stated a value, I assume that that particular case might be the case wherein you have an expense more than $400.
Okay.
So in that case you have to have it approved from your employer, and they have to sign the T2200 form.
Okay. So in our case, I think for our furniture that came under 400.
Yes,
So we
for-
can
yeah.
claim it from the government. So we haven't done it till now because in February when we get our income tax form, that is when we are going to claim this expense as well.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you liked whatever we got. We're gonna use it and give our review or feedback in the upcoming weeks. And so make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any other questions, do reach out to us on Instagram or on YouTube. We would be more than happy to help you guys. So until next time, take care of yourself, your family, and stay connected.
Happy 2021. May all of you have a great year ahead. Tomorrow is the first working day of this new year and I'm really excited and motivated about it. because I get really excited when it's January and you know those things like New Year, New Me. So New Me is going to be a more dedicated person and we want to fix our messed up time schedule. So hoping for the best and keep supporting us. And if you liked the video, if you found it informative, do like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye.